Alright, so today's job, we got loose U-joint here and the axle. This guy. I don't know if you can see that, but this U-joint is shut. So today we're going to swap that out and hopefully get that done pretty quick. Just gotta crack these loose first. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I got the right size, I think, here. Yay. So these arms are titanium. I had them made. Machinist guy I knew. I had a steel set and I was having him add another set of holes because they were only a single set, and the holes got misaligned or something. I can't remember exactly. But he offered to remake them in titanium, and so I got titanium steering arms, which I think is kind of cool. Probably the only rig with those. Stay in there, cat pads. All right, right over there. All right. Yay. And then I need some gloves now. I think I'll put this screw right back where I got it. There's a C-clip. Alright, so there's that. Maybe. Oh yeah, there it is. Where's the end of it? supposed to get that out of there. Oh, breaky back. And I got it. Woo. Now it should just come out. Yeah. And I do have a socket for that. This one was a 4-pin, but now it's a 2-pin because as a 4-pin, it doesn't work on the Terra. Here's my breaker wire. So in case you didn't catch that, Xterra and Jeep Wagoneer have the same spindle nut size. Doing anything here but replacing this U-joint in this axle. Because I really don't even want to do this, but I need to do it if I want to drive it in the snow. What in the fuck? Oh, that moved it. Oh, it's loose. I gotta get it out now. Hi, Boo Bear. You licking my ear. Oh. Oh yeah, boy. Got it. I got it. Did you see it? Huh. Still looks nice and red. Good. Okay. There we go. All right. Looks good. Everything looks good. Except for this guy. Oh no, we got some spread apart. Oh, thank God for that. Okay. Ooh, almost didn't come out. So here's our problem. Looks like the seals died and let some shit get in there. And then I proceeded to beat the crap out of it. You gotta find the end of the doing, buddy? Get back in the yard. Come on. You silly bastard. Alright, where was I? So yeah, you're just doing that. There, now it's out. Now I gotta do that 2 more times. So I lied, it's only 1 more time. There's no clip there. Yeah! That one's out. Look at that. Terrible YouTuber. I did not record what I needed to record there. That's okay, because now I can't find my cap. Yeah, looks like that will go on there. Perfect. Sealed. There we go. Datsun for now. I have to go and do some other stuff, so maybe I'll get this back together the rest of the way tonight, but we'll see. Okay, so it's the next day. They're cleaning out the drainage system in my neighborhood, so they're being noisy. And I probably need to get this done pretty quick, so I think I'll just time-lapse and bring it back when it's all together. Got our new joint in there, and we're all back together. So we'll be taking this for a test drive this evening and fixing some exhaust stuff this weekend.